Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Look at that. Oh my god, I don't even know where to start. I'm gonna try just some cabbage and peas. Been a busy day today. I started doing TV cabinet. Threw a screwdriver quite a few times. Jess's little brother Logan came to rescue and fitted it for us. Fixed it all. Looks alright now. Carpet's down. Curtains are ironed and up. Cabinets are in. Sofa guy turned around and said, "It'll be tomorrow now, so we're still no sofa." But hopefully it fits him. Because he says the sofa, they've tried to deliver it a few times to a few people's houses and it's been non-deliverable because it's been that big. So, a bit of chicken and stuff in. So what's everybody got planned for tonight? Oh, nice. I think we're just gonna chill. I need a nice relaxing bath because my back's in bits. But this, it's absolutely amazing. What's everybody else got for tea? I'm gonna demolish this. But see you all in a bit.